In this video, I will show you two ways to connect your TCL Smart TV to Wi-Fi network without the remote control. Now, over here, I have the TCL Android TV version, but whether you have the TCL Google TV or the TCL Roku TV, this video is still going to guide you on how to still connect your TCL Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network even without the remote control. So if you misplace your remote control or for some reasons your TCL remote control is not just working, just go ahead and apply any of the two solutions I am going to be offering in this particular video. Now for the first solution, what you want to do is to go ahead and connect your TCL Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network by changing the name and password of that particular Wi-Fi to the same name and password of a Wi-Fi network that your TCL Smart TV has connected to before. Now this works for both your Android TV, Google TV or Roku TV, and basically what you're doing is to trick your TCL Smart TV to connect to your new Wi-Fi network by changing the actual name and password of your current Wi-Fi network to the same and exact name and password of the previous Wi-Fi network that your TCL Smart TV has connected to before. So take for example, if I want my TCL Smart TV over here to connect to my mobile phone hotspot, what I will just do is to go ahead and change the hotspot name and hotspot password of this mobile phone to the same Wi-Fi name and password that the TCL Smart TV has connected to previously. So basically, what you want to do if you're connecting to a mobile phone hotspot is to just go over to the settings of your phone, and if you're using a Wi-Fi, just go over to the settings of your Wi-Fi or just head over to the place where you can actually change your Wi-Fi name and password. Since I am using a mobile phone, I'll just go over to the mobile phone hotspot settings and then go over to set portable hotspot. Now at this point, what you want to do is to go ahead and change the hotspot name and password to the exact name and password of your previous Wi-Fi. So I'll just go ahead and change mine and then save it up. And once you're done changing, you just want to go ahead and click on the done button and then make sure that your hotspot is turned on, or if you're using a Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on after you must have changed the name and password of your current Wi-Fi to the exact name and password of the previous one. Now once this is done, you want to go ahead and give your TCL Smart TV 3 to 4 minutes and it will automatically connect to the current Wi-Fi, thinking that it is actually the previous one. Now in my TV over here, there is no notification showing that the TV is not connected to the Wi-Fi, but if your TV actually shows a notification that the TV has not been connected to the Wi-Fi, you're going to watch as that notification will automatically disappear by itself once the TV detects the new Wi-Fi and automatically connects to it. If the TV does not automatically connect to your new Wi-Fi after some minutes, what you can actually do is to just go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket and then just plug it back to the wall socket after some minutes and watch as it will automatically search for available Wi-Fi networks and then connect to your new Wi-Fi network. You can also go a step further to control your TCL Smart TV even without the remote control by simply connecting another phone to the same Wi-Fi that your TCL Smart TV is now connected to. Since they're on the same Wi-Fi, you can simply use the Google Home app on the new phone that is also connected to that same Wi-Fi network to just control your TCL Smart TV even without the remote control. My final solution to still connect your TCL Smart TV, whether it's the Google TV, Roku TV or Android TV just like this one, to a Wi-Fi network without the remote control is to simply go ahead and use a wired Wi-Fi. Now with a wired Wi-Fi, you simply do not need to start using your remote control to go to the settings or do anything on the TV. Once it is connected to the Ethernet port on your TCL Smart TV, your TV should automatically use the internet that is provided by your wired Wi-Fi network. So go ahead and get a wired Wi-Fi network. I'm going to be leaving links to a wired Wi-Fi network in the description of this video. Just go ahead and purchase one for yourself and you should be able to connect your TCL Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network even without the remote control. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.